Okay, friends. So we have two types of questions. We have short questions and WH questions. So in case of short questions, you know it very well. So there is auxiliary verbs, be to be, or have, or to do. Those auxiliary verb they are put at the beginning, and then they are followed by the subject of a particular sentence. In the same case, in the WH questions, WH word will be always in the interrogative sentence at the beginning. So interrogative sentence with WH always begins with the WH word. Now what after that? What next? So the WH word is followed by, let us see here. For example, if there is a WH word, for example, why, and we take example of any tense out of 8 tenses. So let's say, for example, for our understanding, we take example of simple present tense. So why will be followed by auxiliary verb, that is does. Then the auxiliary will be followed by subject. Okay. So does indicates the simple present tense. And question mark. So you can see here, this is WH word. This is subject, and these are adverbials, and does and come, they are verbs. Come is a main verb and does is the auxiliary verb. So when we have es with the do, then we remove the s or es from the main verb. But the verb come is a transitive verb, so therefore it doesn't carry the object with it. Okay, we have plenty of verbs like this. For example, walk, run, sleep. Same way we have come. They don't have object. If you ask questions, what, then there will be no answer. Walk, what walk? Run, what run? What sleep? But in place of, we have other category of verb. They always carry objects with them. For example, you say drink, so you have many answers. You drink milk, drink water, you drink anything, drink juice. Or if we say, for example, we have write, so you have object, write what? Writing letter, any poem, essay, whatever. So others are, they are carrying objects with them. Okay, let us understand this technique with the help of PowerPoint presentation. Then we will do it practically. Let us first understand the structure of WH question. So these are the words that you can see on your screen. Only there will be a difference with in the case of how much and how many. Please remember. How much and how many is always followed by subject of the sentence. For example, how many boys? Then there will be auxiliary. So please remember that difference that we will see in the sentence in the practice. This is the structure you can see on the screen. See, so we have when, did, past tense. So WH word, auxiliary, and subject by in the original form because did is here to indicate past tense. The object, the car, question mark. So this is in active voice. Now passive, here a bit it is tricky. Now when you convert sentence from active to passive, please remember we cannot convert tense. Tense remains the same. If it is simple past tense in the passive, in the active, then in the passive it will remain simple past. But we have to change the verb form according to the subject. Subject of the sentence એટલે કે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ ધ કાર છે અહીંયા ઓબ્જેક્ટ છે પણ પેસિવમાં એ સબ્જેક્ટ બની જાય છે. Accordingly, we will use the auxiliary verb and we should also remember the verb form. Simple past tense ma v2 is the verb form, but we can, if it is interrogative, then we take help of did. In the present tense we take help of do or does, and in the interrogative did will be before subject. Here you can see. So here it is to be plus v3, so we have was, to be, and plus v3 both. But look at the position when WH questions, auxiliary followed by auxiliary, then the auxiliary followed by the subject of the sentence. Here the car is the subject, and then the rest of the things means V3 of the verb and by you. So this is how this sentence is converted from active voice to passive voice. Let us have some more changes. When did you buy the car? Okay, the same sentence that you can see. So these are the major changes that you are already familiar. And these are the forms of the verb. We have four tenses in which passive is not possible. So perfect continuous present tense, perfect continuous past tense, perfect continuous future tense, and continuous future tense here. Okay. So only 1, 2, 3, 8 total we have tenses in which passive is possible. Now WHO is something that in which when there is an interrogative sentence with who means that the subject is missing in the sentence. So the sentence is looking for the subject. Now who has broken the glass? Understood? Now subject is not given in the sentence. You can see who is the WH question, has is the auxiliary, broken is the verb, and the glass is the object. So where is the subject in the sentence? There is no subject in this sentence. Therefore, in the passive, we add by with the whom because એક્ટિવનો જે સબ્જેક્ટ છે એ પેસિવમાં શું થઈ જશે ઓબ્જેક્ટ. ઓકે, તો અહીંયા જે ઓબ્જેક્ટ છે પેસિવનો એક્ટિવનો ઓબ્જેક્ટ ધ ગ્લાસ એ શું થઈ જશે અહીંયા સબ્જેક્ટ. So the who is always then it becomes in the passive by whom. Who has done? By whom? Then the auxiliary, the glass been broken. It is present perfect tense. Same way, who has learning a poem? Who was learning? By whom was a poem being learnt? It is past continuous tense. So was plus ing, subject is not available in the sentence. And here we have was plus being plus V3 learned. But look at the position. So now we will have exercise. Okay. When will you buy a car? So when will a car be bought by you? Okay. You have to remember only verb form and then the position of those verbs in the interrogative sentence with WH word. It is very easy. Only the auxiliary in main verb, their position are changed, because auxiliary is always, be brought at the before subject. It is put always occurs in the interrogative before subject. That is what we have to remember. You can see these examples. Okay, now this is for your exercise. You can write the passive of this particular sentence in your chat box. Why does he not play the game? આ કેસમાં જુઓ નોટ ક્યાં આવે છે, જુઓ વાય પછી ડઝ, બાકીનું બધું સેન્ટેન્સ સેમ રહેશે, બધા એલિમેન્ટ્સ no change, only why and does he does not play. For example, આનું નેગેટિવ શું થશે? He does not play. So only does is taken before the subject. Rest of the things remains the same. Now it is interrogative negative sentence. Now you convert this sentence into passive voice and answer in the chat box. Why does he not play the game? Yes. Mega, why is the game not played by him? And why is the game not played by him? Krushali, Ranjan, why is the game not played by him? Very good, excellent. So why position છે why છે એની તો change થશે નહીં, because in either it is in the active form or in the passive. Very good, Deepti, Kajal and Vishwash. Interrogative માં એ તો beginning માં જ રહેશે, તો let us put why at the beginning. Then we have અહીંયા આપણું શું છે, subject the game બની જશે. So the game is the always singular. Why is, જુઓ કોઈ રમતનું specific. Okay, screen is not visible. Okay, fine. ઓકે, કોઈ પણ ગેમનું નામ હોય, ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ ક્રિકેટ, હોકી, ફૂટબોલ, તો એની પહેલા આપણે આર્ટિકલનો ઉપયોગ કરતા નથી. એ એન ઓર ધ બિફોર એની નેમ ઓફ ધી સ્પોર્ટ્સ ઓર ગેમ. બટ અહીંયા કોઈ ગેમનું નામ નથી, ગેમ વર્ડ છે. ઓકે, સ્પેસિફિક કોઈ ગેમનું નામ નથી, એટલે એની પહેલા આર્ટિકલ ધ ઇઝ યુઝ, એટલે કે કોઈ સ્પેસિફિક ગેમની વાત છે. સો ઇટ ઇઝ ઓલવેઝ સિંગ્યુલર. It is here in the sentence, it is singular, the game. So simple present tense, why to be is used, do does is not, they are not used in the passive. So why is the game? Okay, rest of the things remains the same, not played by him. Excellent. We have few more sentences. Okay, so why is the game not be played by him? ઓકે બી એ ખોટું છે, બી આવશે નહીં, બરાબર. Why have you supported them? Exercise number second sentence. Okay, let us take example of whom. Okay, who has written an essay? Okay, convert this into passive. Okay, very good. Mega, it will be by, by whom? Because he is the doer, somebody is the doer of the activity of writing an essay. So by whom at the beginning, since it is question interrogative, therefore it will be at the beginning. Okay, as yes, an essay okay been plus ing since it is present perfect tense. See yeah, this is Vishal. As will be before noun. Okay, Mansi correct. Dipti, Sweta, Janvi, Krushali, good. That is to learn. બાકી બધું તો તમને આવડે જ છે, બરાબર? But therefore we do practice. Why? Sometimes we make mistake. So this is the proper structure. WH word, auxiliary, then subject. બરાબર, અહીંયા ઓબ્જેક્ટ છે પણ એ વસ્તુ અહીંયા સબ્જેક્ટ બની જાય છે. Then the verb form યાદ કરી લેવાનું. પહેલા ટેન્સ જોઈ લેવાનો. સેન્ટેન્સનો ફર્સ્ટ એન્ડ foremost thing that we should do is identify the tense of this given sentence. બરાબર, પછી એક્ટિવમાં એનું ફોર્મ જોઈ લો, પછી એનું પેસિવમાં વર્બ ફોર્મ યાદ કરી લો અને અકોર્ડિંગલી એને આપણે એને સિક્વન્સમાં ગોઠવવાનું રહે સેન્ટેન્સમાં. મોર સેન્ટેન્સ. Sometimes you come across sentences like this. Very simple sentence. Convert. What would be the passive of this particular sentence? Okay, Mega, very good. So it is simple present tense. Very good. So by whom? Auxiliary, object, and V3, to be plus V3. On. Very good. Another. Convert this sentence. Yes, Mega. Simple past tense. Krushali, Dipti. Very good. So, to be plus B3. Yes, position is by whom, tense, past tense, was, object, B3. Excellent, very good. Very good. Few more examples. Let us take, for example, when. Telling, for example, when. Okay, convert this. Identify the tense of the sentence. Hmm. You missed. Omit કરી દીધું subject. Yeah, Mega tried well, good. હા, by then, very good. હા, અને આમાં બે possibility છે ને આપણે. Very good. Ranjan, we have two objects, indirect object and direct object. Let me tell you, if there are more than one object, sometimes we have two objects. One is, this is direct. Why were they telling the stories? Okay, it is meaningful, but why were they telling you? So ત્યાં question mark થઈ જાય, what? They were telling you, but what? So sentence remains incomplete. So you is indirect object and the stories is direct object. So Mega, when were you being told the stories by them? So you taken you as a subject in the passive. Very good. Now who's there? Ranjan, when were you being? Very good. By them can give. Pur Purvit, when were you being told the stories? By them. Hmm. Vishal, when were you told? Hmm. આ કયો ટેન્સ છે આને આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કેમ કરવો ભાઈ? બિંગ વાપરો. બિંગ, હા. હા, એ તો પ્રોબ્લેમ છે ને અહીંયા. બાકી તો હા, પરફેક્ટલી વી શુડ નો ધીસ. ઓકે, નાવ આ ધ સ્ટોરીઝ જે છે, ધ સ્ટોરીઝ એને પેસિવમાં સેન્ટેન્સમાં સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવીને બનાવો સેન્ટેન્સ. Yeah, the correct sentence that I can see by Megha, when were you? You, she has taken you as a subject. Now take the stories as a subject because we have two possibilities, I mean, two sentences in because there are two objects. Now Megha is caught when the stories. Megha, you are caught when the stories were being told to you by them. Now there is some mistake in your sentence. Who will tell? વિશાલ, એમાં ટેલ ટેલ જ રહી, એમાં હર્ડ કરવાની જરૂર નથી. when WH પછી શું direct subject? No, there will be auxiliary before subject. Very good, fine. This is excellent. This is exercise. This is the, So, when were the stories? This one say. When were the stories? Which tense continues being told to you before preposition by them? Good, understood? Okay, one more sentence. Be ready. Why will you have opened the okay, convert this. Make passive of this sentence. Very good, Mega. Why will the door have been opened by you? So here we have will plus have plus V3. Okay. This is subject, this is object. This indicate the underlined word indicates the perfect future tense. Okay. Very good. Yes. Om, Vishal, Janvi, Krushali. Very good. So the answer will be why તો શરૂઆતમાં જ રહેશે ઇન્ટ્રોગેટિવમાં will third or તો સિંગ્યુલર છે ને થર્ડ પર્સન તો હેજ આવશે કે હેવ આવશે હુ ઇઝ કોન્ફિડન્ટ ધ ડોર સપોઝ અહીંયા યુ છે યુ સેકન્ડ પર્સન છે એની સાથે તો હેવ આવશે બટ ધ ડોર ઇઝ ધ થર્ડ પર્સન સિંગ્યુલર very good there will be in the future tense always have good so why will the door have પછી શું આવશે very good since it is passive therefore been and v3 by you very good okay more tricky sentence convert this now okay એટલું જ રાખીએ આપણે yes convert this is future tense what would be the passive of this sentence પીપીટી જે છે WH questions નું explanations એ already is there in the Google Classroom આખું વાંચી લેજો બરાબર વેરી ગુડ મેગા વિચ બુક બરાબર તો વિચના કેસમાં પણ એવું છે વિચ પછી શું આવશે immediately subject. So which book જ રહેશે પેસિવમાં પણ. વેરી ગુડ. બી આવશે ને, બી રેડ. Yeah, it is infinitive future construction. Which book is going to be read? Very good. Which book which always carries a noun with it? Which book is going to be, બરાબર? સબ્જેક્ટ ઇઝ ઓલરેડી અહીંયા આવી ગયું છે which ની સાથે. So going to be read. B3 by you. Very good. Okay, now in the exercise we have few sentences. Let us take sentence number 1. Okay, let us take all of them. Be ready. We will 8 sentences now. We will convert 8 sentences. Sentence number 1. Why have you broken the mirror? Answer is very good. Why has the mirror? Why then auxiliary the mirror. અહીંયા યુ છે એટલા માટે એની સાથે have આવશે. Here it is the mirror singular. Has the mirror been, don't forget, it is passive, been. E3 broken. I you. Very good. What about this sentence? Very good. Sweta, Kajal, Om, Vishal. Very good. Excellent. 1C. Kajal, Sweta, Mahi. Good. Very good. So you are now very confident in active and passive, especially in the WH. Very good. So now second sentence. Why do you write a letter? Why do you do plus અહીંયા શું છે આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરીએ ટેન્સ do present tense write simple present tense. So in the passive to be plus v3, so to be here is. Why is very good, excellent. Yes, Mega, Sweta, Viraj, Janvi. Why immediately why પછી શું આવશે auxiliary is a letter v3 written by you. Question mark. Very good. Very good. Yes, Krushali, Vaibhavi, good. Yeah, Vishal. Very good. Okay, next sentence. When will you return my pen? Yes, Sweta, Mega. Yes, when will my pen be returned to me by you? Yes, very good. Yeah, this is simple future tense. એમાં શું છે? Will plus be plus B3. Very good. So we have two subjects here and two objects. Pen થી પણ બની શકે, my pen, અને you થી પણ બની શકે. Now, my pen, there is only one object, sorry. So when will ઓબ્જેક્ટ છે એ અહીંયા સબ્જેક્ટ બની જશે. યસ, વેન વિલ માય પેન બી આવશે ને, બી રિટર્ન બાય યુ. વેરી ગુડ. Be written. Okay, so will be written in the future tense. Very good. Next sentence. Why are you laughing at him? Megha laughed at. Very good. Yes. Okay, him. અહીંયા હિમ છે એ ઓબ્જેક્ટના સ્થાને છે, એ પ્રનાઉન સબ્જેક્ટના સ્થાને શું બની જશે? હી. વેરી ગુડ. વાય? યસ, ઓક્ઝિલરી આવશે, ઇઝ આવશે કેમ કે હી છે. વાય ઇઝ હી? યસ, કન્ટિન્યુઅસ થિંગ. હવે જુઓ, સબ્જેક્ટની પહેલા માત્ર એક જ વર્ડ આવશે, એક જ ઓક્ઝિલરી, બાકીનું બધું સબ્જેક્ટની પાછળ આવશે. બિંગ ને બધું. યસ, સો બિંગ લાવ એટ બાય યુ. ગુડ. ગુડ. માહી, કૃષાલી, શ્વેતા, એક્સલન્ટ. Where did he put the things? Convert this. What would be the answer? Head કોણ લેવું? હા, શ્વેતા, head. This is not perfect tense. ટેન્સ પહેલા આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરો, કયો ટેન્સ છે? Did. It is always simple past tense. So Megha, yes, good. Where were the things? Yes. Vishal, Vaibhavi. Answer is where were. There will be to be. Did આવશે નહીં પેસિવમાં. Things put. By him. This is the correct sentence. Very good. Put. It is irregular. Okay. Okay. Now this sentence. What did he speak? હવે પીપીટીમાં આના સિવાયના 8 આપણે કર્યા ને, હવે કેટલા બાકી? 8 બાકી છે, એ તમે હોમવર્કમાં કરી લેજો. Remaining 8 sentences are homework for you. Okay. What did he speak? Excellent. Very good. Yes. What was spoken by him? Okay. Megha, Shweta, Kajal, Vibhavi, Nishit, Om, Viraj. Good. So that is what your answer. Very good. 7. Sentence 7. When do you write the lesson? Again, simple present. Simple present. When is the lesson written by you? Very good. Is આવશે. હા, વૈભવી. ગુડ. પ્રેઝન્ટ ટેન્સ. હા હા, એટલે ઘણી વખત ઉતાવળમાં એ જ મિસ્ટેક થઈ જાય છે. એ કેરફુલી એ જ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું છે. બરાબર. ઓકે. વેન ઇઝ ધ લેસન. એ જ જોવાનું છે કે WH વર્ડ પછી શું આવશે? એક્સેપ્ટ, ઈચ, વિચ અને હાઉ મેની, હાઉ મચ. આ ત્રણ સિવાય અને એક હુ વાળું, બાય હુમ. ઓક્ઝિલરી આવશે ઇમિડિયેટલી આફ્ટર ધેટ. યસ. સો વેન ઇઝ ધ લેસન? Always V3. Good. Last sentence. Why does he kick the ball? Why is the ball kicked by you? Very good. Viraj, Megha, Shweta. Very good. Excellent. Okay, okay, very good. Excellent. So in PPT, go through, or if you have difficulty, you can ask any doubt. Excellent. You have performed very well today. You seem to be very comfortable and confident now in WH question, active and passive. Okay. So WH માં પણ ટેન્સ તો હશે જ, કાં તો આઈધર ઇટ વિલ બી ઇન સિમ્પલ ઓર પરફેક્ટ ઓર કન્ટિન્યુઅસ ટેન્સ. એ આપણે ખાસ જોઈ લેવાનું. અકોર્ડિંગલી આપણે જે વર્બ કોષ્ટક જોયું એ પણ પીપીટીમાં આપેલું છે, એ પણ જોઈ લેજો. Okay, so in the next time we will discuss now imperative sentences. Okay, so now you can write your roll number in the chat box. Thank you. Have a nice day. ચલો ફટાફટ નંબર લખી નાખો.